You clicked on this video because you wanted to learn how to find your dream home overseas. Big Cuda got you. Hold up, wait a minute. What y'all think this is a green screen or something? Hold on.
It's definitely me out here making this video. What you mean? And you better push the goddamn button. Alright. Soul Tribe was popping. I'm Big Cuda, aka Cooldmgent, baby. Yeah. And this is another banger. We drop them on a daily basis, right? Right. So many of you back home, you got the idea. You got the idea. You got a plan. You just ain't get the opportunity yet. You trying to figure out how you about to get to Asia. How are you about to get to Thailand? How you about to get to the Philippines? How you about to get to Japan? How you about to get to all these beautiful places? And where you gonna move when you go? How do you even find where to move? Cause I bet you in your favorite consultation, in your favorite Patreon, no offense to your favorite YouTuber, but I bet you they ain't gave you the information. I bet you, I just know it. And we drop it over here. Thank you for the flowers. I seen somebody just press the goddamn button. I love you. What I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna make this very simple and sweet for you guys. Not only am I going to share with you beautiful locations so you can get an idea of what your dollar would do renting wise in Asia, but I'm also going to show you how I went about finding my own destinations in real time. You feel me? So this is going to be an interesting video. I really hope that you pay attention. And if you feel like you got some game, hit the goddamn button. Like, don't be a snooze ball, please. Now, what I will say is we're going to do multiple countries. So if you want this to be a series, just let me know. But for the most part, we sticking to Thailand. In this video, I'll be showing you some of the coolest apartments that you can get, all the way from $200 to $400 to almost $500, not even breaching $500. How you can move into these places, and most importantly, how you find them yourself. So let's get into our first apartment. Oh yeah, let's do it. I said let's do it. By the way, in the end of the video, you will get all the techniques that I have on how to find places and any leftover details. I promise you're not gonna get left out. Smash that like button. All right, let's check it out. For 20,000 baht, that's less than $400, you can get you a 2-bed, 3-bedroom, or 2-bed, 3-bath house in Pattaya, Thailand. Look at that. The furniture is nice and brand new. It be hot, so you need your aircon, but it got aircon. Look, the kitchen is nice and spacious. I love that kitchen. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. That's one of the bedrooms. Look at all that space. Luxury. You guys, this is less than $500. 20,000 baht. That's just one of your showers because you got 3 bathrooms. You guys, when I moved to Thailand, I went crazy looking at the homes. It's really that hard to choose. Like, and a new spot pops up every day. Every day. Once you use this technique to start finding your own cribs, you'll never need nobody else again. You don't even need the agents until you choose like that. And by popular demand, we back with another one. Y'all want to know why brothers is moving to Thailand? It ain't because of the women or the lady boys, or maybe it is, but I'm gonna add on this. The real estate. Check this out. Look at this apartment. You see? You dig? You got a kitchen area, a table, a washer machine, a flag. Who lives here? We don't know. This is for rent. This is what you can get. Like a nice little open space. A bed overlooking the city. Is that Jomtien Beach? Is that a TV on the headboard? And he got a closable shower. That's a wrap. It's curtains for me. Bro, that's my thing. If the shower can close, that's my thing. Look at that bathroom. It's clean, bro. There's something about Thailand. Specifically, this is an apartment in Pattaya, but Thailand, they take pride in that. They stand on business when they come to this. Now, let's look at the price. 13,000 baht equal. Now, these are monthly prices that I'm about to mention, and you have to sign a contract for a year to get these type of prices. For this apartment, it is 13,000 baht.
Somebody do the math. Y'all want me to do all the work? What is 13,000 baht? Beep, bop, boo, boo, boo. $360 a month for a furnished apartment. This is why brothers is running. It ain't because they trying to get away from you. It's because they trying to live for the cheap. Hold up. We making this a series, you guys. I'm not done. These are apartments you can get in Thailand for under $400 a month. Furnished. First off, let's look at this kitchen. Pow. Mini fridge. Look at that nice little microwave. And then you got your washing machine. The washing machines are trash. I'm not gonna lie, you guys. The washing machines are not really that lit, but at least they come with them. You feel me? Nice little space. Open up. Whoa, look at that bedroom. That's a lot of space. And you got your own private balcony. Y'all know what go on the balcony in Pattaya, Thailand? No, you don't. I do, because I was living there. And you got a desk and a TV. And it's so lit out there, you don't watch the TV. I mean, honestly, at this point, you would think I'm lying unless you live there like I did on the block. I got all the videos to show you. All the at-home videos to show you while I was there. Now, the thing is, a lot of places come with pools. I ain't really a pool type of guy. What I question is, if the water is terrible to drink, why do y'all have big old pools full of them? I don't know. But wow, look at that balcony. Oh my gosh. Boom. Reason 666 why people are picking up and moving to Thailand. This apartment I'm about to show you is 7,000 baht. You do the conversion in American dollars. I'm tired. Drop in the comments what's the conversion for that. It's insane. For a monthly. Now remember, you do have to get a 12-month lease. These are 12-month lease spots in Pattaya, Thailand. That's 2 hours away from Bangkok. The water. Oh my God. That's a brand new couch. It's a couch that converts into a full bed. It's a couch converts into a full bed. Nice glass table. And then you get to overlook other people's apartments who gonna be on their apartment minding their business. And believe me, it be fun sometimes, especially when you minding it. You guys, what I love about living in Thailand is you really get the bang for your dollar. Like, if I do a video comparing Thailand apartments to Philippines apartments, somebody gonna be mad. With $400, 7,000 baht ain't even half of $400. But with $400 can get you in the Philippines versus Thailand. Thailand really put pride in making shit look bougie. Bad and bougie, bro. This is why I remember when I started these videos last year, y'all thought I was playing. I talk too much. Let's get to the review. The bathroom is pretty. The bedrooms in Thailand are usually small unless you're paying for it, which you can get. You can pay to play. The pools are extraordinary, but I don't swim in the pools. You got a full living room, a small kitchen area that's very common here in Thailand. The neighbors, you feel me? Basically, all you do is you sign some paperwork, you come with 2 months of rent, and then boom, you live there. The gas and electric be like 2,000 baht on top of the rent. Your water be like 400 baht. You be in there like swimwear, for real. For real. And a lot of the times you never really meet the owner, or you can just walk up to your owner's crib. It's either they're very transparent in there, or you're never getting in contact with them, and it's okay because the building is helping them manage. And that's okay, because sometimes you don't want their ass in your face. No. Come on, we gonna do this. Who ready to move to Thailand? Who need more advice? I do this on a daily basis. If you ain't watched the full video on, you slick cheating yourself. Like, why are you doing this to yourself? For $491, you can get this luxury apartment overlooking Pattaya City in Thailand. That ain't even $500. That ain't even $500. Let's get into it, you guys. My name is Cooldmgent. I drop travel vlogs daily, YouTube vlogs daily. And right now we're showing you how easy it is to move to Thailand, how cheap it is. It ain't always easy, but check this out. That's the living room, fool. Look how high you sit it up. No more, bro. You live in lugs. Walk out on the balcony naked, smoking a John. 420 type of vibes. Honeymoon bedroom type of vibes. And you barely spend time in the house, bro. When I lived in Thailand, bro, I was barely in the house. I was outside. You living in Pattaya, you outside. What I love is, look at that kitchen space. They got an oven too? Bro, it's hard to find an oven in Thailand. Whoa, then they got a mirror glass so you can get your freak on in the shower and watch from the bedroom tub. I used to have a shower like that at my old apartment in Thailand. It was very nice. If you seen it, you seen it. Look at that. They take care. Look how it light up, bro. That's what I'm saying, bro. Your money go far. We gonna do Philippines next. So if you thinking about moving to the Philippines, you better be pressing subscribe or like or whatever you need to press, because we doing them next, bro. But that's what I'm saying. Like, Thailand, bring it, man. How much is that ticket to go back? Like $100 right now? Oh my gosh, bro. Watch the full video so you can get the gym. Congratulations, you got the attention span of a Soul Tribe member. So you wondering how I find these apartments? It's easy. I go on Facebook Marketplace. I'm in Manila right now. I go to Facebook Marketplace, I type in the city, and if that don't work, I don't mind dragging the needle all the way to the neighborhood, because that's how this goes. You're not going to stop me from getting what I want, from what we need. So I drag that needle over there to Thailand. And then I look at the apartments. Now, I was doing this when I was in America, making viral videos. And then it just so happened that I manifested my way out here to Thailand, which is pretty freaking cool, because if you know anything about my journey, you see I did it all from scratch, and I did it all here on YouTube with you guys. So type in the style of apartment you're looking for, or just type in apartments for rent. Now, the important details is you just put your price, meaning the minimum and maximum that you're willing to spend. I've seen nice apartments in Thailand for 7,000 baht, like you've seen in this video, and I've seen them for 35,000. If you playing with 35,000 baht, which is a little bit over $1,000 or close to $1,000, I'm telling you, your experience is going to be superb. But for the people who only got $300 to work with, you can win too. Now, this is what's required of you to move into an apartment here in Thailand. You need, obviously, a passport. You need good standing within your living in the country, because they will be sending your paperwork in. And then you need 2 to 3 months of rent. Sometimes you can negotiate that rent, but when you're finding these places on Facebook, most of the time you're talking to the agent, not the actual person. And the agent want they cut too. Everybody gets a piece of the pie. So you can take this step. Airbnb, Booking.com, some of the other, actually the best way to do it is to fly into town, book a hotel, and then hit the ground running. I promise you. Because Airbnb was never your friend. Airbnb was never your friend, bro. Check this out, bro. If you get on Airbnb right now and just type in Pattaya, Thailand. Right now, look at the date. Right now is the 5th of April. The 5th. So we're already 5 days into the shortest month of the year. But I'm still going to book it from the 5th of April until the 30th of this month. Or boom. So this isn't even a full month. 2 guests. Guess how much? Drop in the comments how much you think it's going to be. I just showed you luxury apartments for $300, $500. And just because you're booking on Airbnb, you're going to pay what? $700. That's your deposit right there. That's your deposit and your move-in right there. But you won't get that back. And it's foreigners who are doing this. No offense, I ain't trying to throw y'all under the bus, but what the fuck? Moving abroad is going to be a game changer for you. I used to do consultations and things like that, but as of right now, I just need to live my life. So if you see me out here, buy me a drink, dab me up, tell me you Soul Tribe, let me know where you came from. But I don't feel like I need to charge for this information, man. I feel like what I do is, what I bring to the world, what I bring to this explorer, to the passport lifestyle, is I bring that authentic coolness to it on camera. And now you get to do it in your way too. You can't live through me, I can't live through you, man. I don't know what y'all pay for in these consultations. I don't know what y'all pay for in these ebooks. I got an ebook. I had an ebook out for a year and a half now that's been telling you guys to do this. Most people won't buy the ebook or they won't read, so you feel me? We gonna just drop it in a free YouTube video, drop game. And if I put this out, just imagine what's in the book, like the ebook. The ebook got a lot of gems, so check out the Chocolate Travel Guide to Southeast Asia. Won't say that again. Peace to the soul tribe. If you want to show me love on my Cash App, is OMNiMeLLC. That's big love because I'm out here doing it solo dolo. We ain't got the YouTube check yet, and TikTok a little funny acting, but it is what it is, man. I know I'm one of the ones that's gonna make it. I know I'm one of the greats already. And with all of that being said, I'm getting ready to go back to Thailand. I just need to get my funds right, man, and keep them right. So if you're ready to build and network, holla at me on Instagram at Cooldmg. Follow me on TikTok, join my live at Cooldmg, and push the goddamn button here on YouTube at what? Cooldmg. Now, did I leave out anything? Did I leave out anything? If I did, let me know in the comments. And also, if y'all would like a part 2 of me just reviewing places in Thailand, showing you guys, let me know. I have in-person, real live reviews on this app as well. So just type in my name, look at my Thailand videos. You'll see apartments and lofts that I've been to that were $200, $300, $500. My apartments that were between $400 and $800. And when I come back, I look forward to showing you guys more. Let me know if you guys dig this type of content. I might do Manila next. Actually, yeah, we're gonna do Manila next. I think that was it. I think we just hit it on the head. I hope you got something from this video. And if you fuck with the vibes, push the goddamn button, man. That can mean subscribe. That can mean like. That could just mean dropping a comment saying, yo, I feel you. I'm here. Holla at your boy. We out, man. Peace. It is what it is. Look at that man braids. His braids is fresh, ain't it? Little Kizzy.
How is it killing you so far?
Calm down. You guys, we're gonna do Philippines. We're gonna do Vietnam. We're gonna do Thailand. We're gonna do Malaysia. We're gonna do all of them. So I need y'all to drop down in the comments what state, what city, what country, what province y'all want to see after we knock out Pattaya, Thailand, aka Pattaya. Yeah. Let's roll.